This Dalton Wade Real Estate Group property video is presented by Sarita Lytell. Views, views, views. Outrageous waterfront views down Long Lake.Exeter is one of the most beautiful buildings in Century Village.Two Bedroom, 1.5 bath, with shower.Open floor plan, tile throughout, impact windows with accordion shutters. Community features resort-style amenities, including a enomous clubhouse, indoor, outdoor pools, theater, fitness center, tennis courts, 24-hour guard gate. For more information, review the details below.